Now, a day after Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi took a jibe at the BJP and the RSS, saying that he too had started reading the Bhagavad Gita and the Upanishads to take on the government. Now, Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has taken on Rahul's return to the Upanishads. Naqvi saying that the reading of India's holy books will only help Rahul cleanse his mind of all negativity. Remember, only yesterday Rahul Gandhi had said that he had taken to the reading of holy texts to counter the BJP-RS Hindutva offensive.
मोदी जी की सरकार के 3 सालों में एक बात तो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हमें दिखाई पड़ी, जो राहुल गांधी जी के मन में जो परिवर्तन दिखाई पड़ा कि वो उपनिषद और भगवत गीता पढ़ने के बारे में सोच रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि 15-20 साल में वो योगा वगैरह भी करना शुरू कर देंगे, जिम भी करें लेकिन योगा भी करना शुरू करेंगे, ताकि उनके जो मन मस्तिष्क है उसमें जो नकारात्मक चीज़ें भरी हुई हैं वो सकारात्मक दिशा में चल सकें और देश के ज़मीन के हकीकत और ज़मीन के हालात के हिसाब से वो सोच सकें और आगे बढ़ सकें।
He's a prolific reader and I think you should know that. He reads extensively across the spectrum. I think that's an interesting insight that he has, and I'm sure that would help marshal better arguments against the BJP.
All right, so it's interesting to note Rahul Gandhi had yesterday stated that he is going to be reading the holy text basically to counter what he says is a BJP-RSS agenda. Of course, that has been met with a fair bit of opposition where the BJP is concerned. Taking on Rahul over his comment, they are saying that it's a good thing, because if he does actually start reading the holy texts like the Gita and Upanishads, then maybe he would be cleansed spiritually.